extra time.
Rohit, your first question. You generally take time to settle in and then you play the aerial shots. However, today you went after Ashwin right from the first over. What was the strategy around that?
No, there was no strategy as such. I just wanted to, be positive in my thought process, and the Ashwin is their key bowler, and just wanted to put pressure on their key bowler. That was the thought behind it. He's a quality bowler, no doubt about it. So yeah, that was a thought, and then it came off pretty well. When you're chasing a target like that, you want to get off to a good start and make sure there is no pressure towards the back end. So we wanted to make sure that we, try and capitalize on the first 3-4 overs, and then we can take our time and bat the conditions.
It's been a splendid year for Surya and Ishan. A few words on their performance and how has their impact been on the team?
Yeah, look, Surya and Ishan, they've been superb with the bat, no doubt about it. We saw the results on the ground. They played with a lot of freedom, and that is something that is required, when you have players like that. They're very talented in shot making, and you want to capitalize as much as you can when you have players like those. So it was important for us to give them that freedom, and along with myself, the management, team management, coach, the owners as well, gave them real confidence to go out there and enjoy themselves.
Match, what were the plans against the opening batters, Stoinis and Dhawan, considering they've had a very good game with SRH?
Yeah, we knew that they're the key batters for them, and we wanted to bowl our key bowlers at them. So that was a thought behind it. Getting early wickets in a high-pressure game is always nice, and that is something we wanted to do. And you've got the best new ball bowler in your squad, so why not, just go with that? And that. Bolte throughout the season has been brilliant for us. So was Bumrah. They are the ones who kept us in the game most of the time. And not to forget the contribution from the other bowlers as well. James Pattinson came in, did the job for us. Coulter Nile towards the back end was brilliant. And Rahul Chahar, Krunal Pandya, both with the ball and bat, they were brilliant through the season.
Was the team at any stage in the final match worried about the result?
No, I mean, when you're playing a game like that, a big game like that, you can't think too much far ahead. You can't think about the results. You just as a team want to follow the process, keep doing the right things on the ground, make sure that you keep that pressure on the opposition, and that's what we did. We got the wicket right at the first ball, and then we got a couple more after that as well. We knew they're a good batting team. We want to keep that pressure going all through. So yeah, that was a thought behind it, and the execution was perfect today from all the bowlers.
Captain, lastly, 2020 has been a year of the unexpected. However, Mumbai Indians continued to win the IPL. You continue to be the champions. You've sort of broken a trend. A thought on that, and how was it playing in this year, in the COVID year?
Yeah, I mean, firstly, we're very happy to be on the ground. IPL did a great job of making it happen, along with the management who made sure that everyone's safe firstly, and then the tournament happens. The safety of the players were taken care of, which was very, very important. So hats off to the whole IPL management, the BCCI officials as well. And then I would like to congratulate all the franchisee as well to make sure that there's no hiccups in terms of that bio bubble which was created. I know these are tough times, but we got to be disciplined, and that's exactly what all the franchisee did. All the franchisee were very disciplined to make sure that the IPL happens smoothly. And finally, yes, to go and achieve that final result, I hope we put back a lot of smiles back home and around the world as well. These were the tough times. A lot of people were going through a lot of tough times as well. So I hope this championship that we've won is something to cheer for the people back home as well.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.